Okay, so in today's punya lab session, kita akan buat tensile test, and then you akan kena plot. You have to plot the data lah. So it's either you plot it manually or using Excel. So I will teach you in this session macam mana nak plot using Excel. So basically you need to fill in the elongation and the load data here. Okay. So depend lah, kalau you punya table ni kena buat dalam stress and strain punya ni, and then you need to calculate lah. Okay. So kalau calculation you can just use, okay, for example, if the dimension is initial dimension is 200 mm and then elongation is in mm, so you need to plot. If you need to plot using stress, so stress is delta L over L, so delta L is this, so you need to do equation here. Stress is equal to this over this and then times 100, for example. So that is how to put formula in Excel. And then what you can do is you can double click this and it will automatically calculate it for you. Sorry. So for example, 200, you can put it here. D6 is 200. Okay, and then double click. So you will get the stress punya ni lah, punya reading. So ini example saja. So sekarang guna betul-betul punya apa ni lah, equation, because elongation normally this is in very small punya elongation lah. So this is the sample punya data. Okay, and then load is normally no, strain. Sorry, this is strain. Stress is load over area. So if you know the area, for example, is if the area is 20, so it's F over A. So this is equal to F over A, 20. Alright, this is how you do equation in Excel. But I think in your lab sheet, what you need to plot is plot graph load versus elongation. So we don't need this two. Okay. Okay, how to plot this in Excel? So first you can use this chart punya ni, and then pilih yang ni lah, scatter ni, yang ada titik-titik ni, and then pick this one. Okay, so it will come out a blank punya chart. Okay, and then what you can do is you right click and then select data. Okay, so kita akan add data. Series name, so if your material is steel, then you can put the name here, and then the X value, X in this sample is elongation, and then Y is the load. So click and drag. Okay, so you will have something graph like this. Okay, all right. So if you want to add title, you can click this add chart element, and then letak you nak axis macam mana, ataupun paling mudah pick chart layout. So you akan ada title atas, chart title, and then axis title and axis title. So axis title kena ada you kena ada dia punya ni elongation, so dia punya name, and then dia punya simbol. Okay, simbol dia, and then unit. So pakai standard punya ya. Okay, that is how you put the axis title. Alright, next. You akan kena kira yang modulus. Okay, so basically untuk steel dekat sini kita akan ada beberapa section punya data. If you look closely, the first part is a linear punya portion. So this linear portion is basically the elastic punya region. So this is elastic region, maksudnya bila you tarik besi, dia akan return back to its normal. Okay. After that, you have the second region. This is the plastic region, where bila dia lepas saja point ini, dia tak akan return back. Dia akan return back dengan ada sedikit pemanjangan. So basically kalau you dah sampai di sini, nak tahu dia return back ke mana, you akan kena draw straight line parallel to this one. So dia akan return back around this area. So this is dia punya region lah. So ada dua region, plastic and elastic. Elastic region, plastic region. Alright. So another point yang you nak kena tahu is the turning point is the yield stress punya area. So dekat sini is yield stress, and the top is ultimate tensile stress. Maksudnya dekat situ ialah load paling tinggi dia boleh terima sebelum dia patah. Okay. So macam mana kita nak dapatkan apa ni dekat sini? Modulus of elasticity basically is the slope of this graph. Macam mana kita nak dapatkan slope ni? Okay, dalam kes yang ni kita tak boleh nak dapat. So you kena agak-agak kalau tekan kat sini, kena tahu ini ialah point ni lebih kurang 25 load dia tadi 25 kN lah. Okay, so load tadi dekat 25 kN. So elongation dia sampai sini juga lebih kurang. Okay, so kita akan kena plot lagi satu. So just right click and then select data, then kita add. Series name ni kita taruhlah modulus of elasticity, yang ataupun yang modulus lah. Okay, X dia kita akan plot sama juga macam tadi. Kita akan ambil elongation tapi sampai ke area yang kita nak yang garis lurus je lah. Okay. Y dia pun sama, kita akan ambil sampai level sini tadi. So dia akan ada. Okay. Alright. So macam mana nak dapatkan slope of the graph ni? What you can do is right click. So nampak right click ni, kita tengah klik dekat yang orange ni, kita akan tekan add trend line. So kita nak linear punya function, okay. And then kita boleh set apa ni? Set intercept dekat 0. So maksudnya dia akan set dekat 0 lah. Okay, tekan ni. And then display equation on chart. Okay, kita nak display equation on chart. And then kita akan tekan R squared value. R squared value ni basically is how well your data is plotted on the line. So dalam case ni sebab saya buat rumus dia macam 1 to 1. So basically memang paling tepat lah. So R squared ni normally orang akan ambil dalam 0.98 tu data yang cantik lah. Okay, so dalam case ni Y equal to MX plus C. So M is equal to 1. So modulus of elasticity ataupun yang modulus ialah 1. And then kalau you nak cari yield point dia is dekat around 25. So ultimate tensile stress is 30. Okay, so itu sahaja cara macam mana you nak plot graph. Okay, so this is the sample of graph. Tapi saya nak you plot graph nanti. All this nak kena ada lah graph punya elemen So you kena title, axis ni pun kena tepat. So you need to submit to me macam tu lah kalau you plot guna Excel. Alright.